Brandburger. Goals: conduct PR campaign for brand and agency, remind potential customers about themselves on the eve of the tender season, create an occasion to meet with key clients, draw attention to a new page of the company on Facebook. Idea: with satisfied and fed client, easier to negotiate. We combine what we can do best, brands, and what our audience likes, burgers, and got Brandburger. Brandburger, juicy tasty burger cooked with soul following exclusive original recipe. And also, Brandburger is a special package of services for clients, which includes the most current tools for professional brand promotion at a special tasty price. Preface: Aida Pioneer opened a new business and decided to start cooking and delivering delicious craft burgers. And to make our product really the best in the city, we've decided to test it on our clients and colleagues and give it a taste to all lovers of real burgers. To this end, we have created promo website where anyone can register and participate in drawing of 70 yummy burgers with free shipping. Activity: at the same time, we've launched a new corporate page on Facebook, where we share the secrets of cooking original craft Brandburger in short videos and picture stories with the hashtag Brandburger. The promo drew attention of advertising community, sparked lively discussion on a variety of professional resources, and received positive feedback from burger lovers. 336 people registered on the site within 3 weeks of the campaign, and we brought our Brandburgers an original gift to 70 lucky ones. We haven't forgotten about our current clients. In addition to a delicious burger and branded gifts, each of them in person was able to review and order a package of services for professional branding, Brandburger Creative Edition, at a special price. Results: we were invited to 10 new projects and major tenders. 360 representatives of advertising community signed on our corporate Facebook page. But the main thing, in this delicious way we've shown how to create a successful brand.